Let's fill out the Wyoming motorcycle bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Hey there, and welcome. Let's talk about what you need for a motorcycle bill of sale in this state. First up, when it comes to the title, you'll need a manufacturer's statement of origin, also called an MSO. This document is what establishes where the motorcycle came from, and it's an important part of the transfer process. You'll also need to include the odometer reading on your bill of sale, so make sure you have that mileage noted accurately before you sign anything. Now, based on the verified information we have for this state, there are no additional requirements confirmed for things like notarization, a specific number of signatures, or a purchase price disclosure. So we'll stick with just what's been verified. To recap, include the manufacturer's statement of origin and record the odometer reading. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.